Here, this is my Alkaliser unit of water purification plant. From here we get the water output, and from this part it will goes to my solenoid valve, water solenoid valve, where whenever the water required, it will automatically keep on and flow. It will flow to the pre-filter where the filter is processing, and through this pipe it will goes to the first sediment filter, and through the sediment filter it will goes to my pre-carbon filter, where you can see the pre-carbon filter. From this this is high quality of coconut shell. I think I'm not able to show you. Coconut shell carbon, and from this it will goes to then after it will goes to my pump, a booster pump with input of 30 psi. I think I'm not able to show you. Okay, this pump will boost from 30 psi to 70 psi output, 30 psi input and 70 psi output, and it will goes to the RO, reverse osmosis membrane. From here we get the output, filtered output from this pipe, and the rest of the drain water it will goes through the TDS controller. Then after the FR, flow control of 450. Here with this now we can set the TDS of the water, where the booster pump will boost and pressure of TDS will be processed from this pipe and this pipe, and how much pressure this will resist, it will give the output of TDS from this pipe. If it is more close, or we will get the low pressure from this section TDS control, then the TDS will high. If the release of water is high, then TDS is low. So I have maintained the TDS of nearby 4 or 5 for the RO membrane. To the post carbon from filter, it will goes to it will goes to here. Then after it from down, there is a pipe coming, and it will goes to my 7-stage filtration of mineral balls, iron balls, alkaline, tourmaline, odor reduction, silver ingredients inside, and to use the zinc and also lead from a water. Then it will goes to the T terminal, where I can manage the pH level of the water. I have maintained a 8.5 to 9.0 pH. I have restricted some of the part from the water from here, and rest of the part is from here. So I got the maximum output of 9 pH of nearby. Then it will goes to the UV filter, and through the UV filter we get an output to this pipe, and it will goes to the small reservoir tank of nearby 10 liter, but I have occupied and make a level of nearby 5 liters because alkaline water not stay for longer keep in this. So whenever I want water, I'll get nearby 1 bottle of water up to this much level, and I have restricted by a stop valve, a water stop valve inside. Whenever the water level goes down, it will automatically trigger the pump there and switch on the power pressure pumps to here, and also trigger the UV filter inside. Okay, let's have a small demo of this. I'll take glass water from this filter. Okay, now switching on, and you can see it will automatically trigger. Okay, now this pump is triggered. UV filter is working inside. Pump is also working. You can see the water came out from there. Whenever the level gets high, it will automatically switch off. Okay, now you can see the water turn off and automatically the section is done. So now this is time to check the contaminations inside this water, how much TDS we are getting from the alkaline filter, and also a pH level. So I got the TDS check and also a pH check. So I go for first the pH check. This is some company AquaPro water tester, and this is C certified. So now the temperature here is 23.27 degrees, and the pH is 0. When I put inside, now you can check this is 52 and 53. Okay, I think the focus is not properly working. Okay, now it's okay. Now the temperature is 23.2 degrees centigrade, and the part per million of not a contamination, the negative ORP balls, which will give in the ppm value of magnesium and some calcium things inside. So that is nearby 52, and this is okay. It is drinkable water with alkaline things inside. With the RO I'll get 5 ppm of water, and when the thing is dissolved by these balls, from this point I get 5 ppm part per million of solid contents inside, and from these 5, when the whole process is being done and through the UV filter, we'll get nearby 52 that I have seen on this TDS indicator. So there is 52 ppm with 23.2 degrees centigrade, and now I'm going to check the pH level. So when I put, this I put out and put inside, I got 9.9 pH, nearby 9.9 or 10 pH of water, and pH because I have set the maximum flow from the mineral balls, but I get the best of pH level from the water. I got the 10.0 pH potential of hydrogen from the water. Okay, I'll just check. This is the maximum output of my the alkalizer. So human body not need more than 9.8 pH. So this is automatically balanced, and just I go for check by the pH indicator. So I put some of the drops, and I got some blue things that is same as like an indicator 9.5 to 10, not exactly 10, that is 9.5 things. So you can have a look, that is 9.5 and 9.5. Maybe sometime the pH level indicator is not calibrated exactly, so this is the best you can go for. So I got 9.5 pH to 9.8 or 10 pH of water. Okay, so this time I'll go take another glass and fill it with the water. This is the normal water I getting from. Okay, so I mix some pH indicator inside. Oh god, so I got nearby some yellowish tint. You can have a look, this thing is more acidic. I'll do for somewhat more. So you get the acidic output that is equivalent to nearby, you can have a look, that is equivalent to nearby 6.5 pH. So I'll go with my pH indicator. Okay, here we go. So pH indicator with I get 7.0. It's keep dropping. 6.8, 6.7, 6.6, 6.6. Okay, this thing is cool. I got the output of 6.5 pH. Okay, I got the best of nearby 6.5 pH of water, same as in this. I got a 6.5 here, and this is nearby same color and indicator you'll get by 6.4. And now I'm going to check the total dissolved solids in this water. So it's nearby 21.7 degrees inside. I don't know the water temperature. So I got the 178 TDS, 177, 175, 177. Okay, nearby 22.9 or 23 degrees of centigrade with 175 total dissolved solids inside with some acidic output from a water. So it's okay. You can still have a difference of my alkaline water that I got from Alkaliser that I made it, and this is the acidic water from my Purate. I have just taken this water from my purifier that is inside. This is fully automatic purifier of some Hindustan blah blah something. So I'm not saying that water is not pure, but this purifier not reduce the complete contaminants from a water, but they're having some bacteria filter inside and also carbon filter inside, but this is not the complete way to filter the water. You have to go for some check with the water they having, how much they have solids and contamination is inside. we don't know the actual contamination inside in a water. If you go for a sea water, you'll find the 3000 part per million. If you go for coconut water, you'll find the 3000 contamination. But in a coconut, you'll find the specific different what we said solvents inside, but this is good for your health. But in a normal water, the flowing water or by a pipe, you don't know how which type of contamination is inside. So we have to first reduce the complete contamination from a water with the different Sediment Filter, carbon filter, coconut carbon, post carbon, Tourmaline, negative ORP, silver contents, blah 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 something. Then after you'll get the contamination of 50 part per million, 50 or 57 part per million. That is good for your health. With having your own solid contents you have provided to the water, that is magnesium and calcium and silver and blah blah things that will be helpful to your body. So this is for whole now, and this is my first open thing I have designed, and when I go for complete design this thing inside some cabinet, I'll let you know. Thank you. You can see also a description of this complete thing to my site tishitu.net, www.tishitu.net, where I put in the complete description and also the benefits of the alkaline water. You can just have a look for a site and find the link in articles. And also in the front page you can find the alkalizing with the alkalizer and also alkaline water. Both are having the same benefits. So till now, bye bye, thank you.